We won't go on the beach then.
I'll pay the engine fee.
How much is it?
I won't pay each.
150 each. Oh, that's smart, you know. So we pay the 150 each to go there. No other person that will ask us for.
Welcome.
How you doing? I know you're going to tire you. This is my very first time on this beach. Like, even while I was here, before I could travel to go outside, it's my very first time. Since being in Liberia, before, after, that's my first time coming on the beach here. Oh. And I love the coconut trees. Okay, so they do take care of it because I see a guy ahead of us who's kind of rushing. Okay? Is this okay? Is that the school? Oh, your friend is living right here. You happy your phone? I see. Okay, Mary, I eat for you, yeah? Study and make good grades, yeah? Really good. It's a cool spot. I really love this place. Okay. I really wish they could do something about this entire area. You could build some real good huts here for people to relax, sell some drinks, food. This is really cool. Like, you won't even know there's something going on at the back of this place. I didn't know. Look at this vast land. Look at this vast land. A lot could be done here. Wow. Well, I just got to know that it's a private property, so the owner just, can do anything he or she wants to do with it. Wow, wow, wow.
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue. There's a lot of colors, lost within a haze. Don't rely on others to get you through the maze. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. voices drowning in the sea. There's too many voices talking back at me. There are a lot of choices waiting to be made. Too many choices making me afraid. Dreams are not the same for me.
Oh, look at this pool. But it's so dirty.
Cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. A certain shade of blue will always remind me of you. Trying to figure out how I'm supposed to get through. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. The dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore. Cannot take this anymore.
As you can see, this place is very beautiful. It's a private property. I think the person who owns this place can make a lot of money from this place. Like, develop the place. You can build a lot of huts here. People can come here, you know, for refreshment. People can come here to chill. People can come here to... The beach is so cool. I love the rocks. And let me just let you know, there are many other places like this in Liberia. I just really wish that people who own these places can really pay attention to building these places up. These are things that attract people, tourists, you know, and so forth. So I really, really, really do. I mean, it's just a hope, it's a wish. I really do wish people could look into it. I want to go towards the end of this beach. I don't know what lies there. Let's go. Y'all know me, I'm full of energy like that.
Slow it down. There's no need for us to rush it. No, 'cause we're past the cold. So why stay and just repeat it now? Yeah, oh, we dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us. So let's fight it, make a stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. From now on. Let's fight it, there's no way to hide it, 'cause everything will matter from now on, 'cause it's high tide. I can hear the sound, and I know that it's alarming, yeah. 'Cause time is running out, and we can't just stay and watch it, no. Oh, we dream about all things being alright, but we freeze when it's all up to us.
That's like a waterfall.
Stand and try it. Everything will matter from now on. Let's fight it. There's no way to hide it, 'cause everything will matter from now on, 'cause it's high tide. No matter from now. Yeah, we must fight it now, 'cause nothing else matters from now on. No matter from now. It's high tide. No matter from now. It's high tide.
I guess this is like the end of this place. Oh. This is like the end of this place, so I'm not going anywhere else, but right back.